welcome all. In this video we will learn algorithm for peep operation in stack. So what is peep operation? So if you want to display any element from the stack, okay, then it is known as peep operation or display operation in stack. Okay, so let us consider in this case I will fill 3 elements in the stack. Okay, so your top pointer at present pointing to this index 2. Okay, so in this algorithm we need one extra element that is not needed previously. Okay, so here if I want to fetch the element at index pointing to 2 or the at the on top, so for that I will use index 0. Okay, so here like 1 and 2. Okay, so in this way this algorithm will return ith element from the stack. Okay, so keep in mind here also that one element is free still in this stack. Okay, so in step 1, before step 1 let me do some fixed values. Right, so top is by default or default indicating to -1. Okay, and second thing, size of stack indicated by n, considering in this case 4. Okay, and one recursion function, so that s denote the stack, top accessing the index value or element, and ith element we want to fetch. One thing I want to share with you that always keep in mind your top pointer will only responsible to fetch or insert or delete element into the stack. Okay, so write down step 1. So in step 1, first we need to check your stack is underflow or not. Okay, so if the stack is underflow we cannot perform peep or display operation from stack, that is but okay. So check for underflow. Okay, so for that I am writing condition. I will explain. Let me first write. So if top minus I plus 1 is less than or equal to 0, then your stack is underflow. So write stack underflow and exit from the algorithm. So why this will work? Okay, so I am checking the condition. So consider I want to fetch this element. Okay, so it will perform underflow or not. Okay, so top pointing to value 2, I want to fetch this element, ith element, so that is 1, and plus 1 less than or equal to 0 or not. So 1 1 2 is not less than or equal to 0, so this is not underflow and the condition is true. Now check again for underflow. By mistake if I given the value as 3, so what will happen? So top is indicating to 2. Okay, minus I want to fetch this element. Okay, and value plus 1 less than or equal to 0 or not. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3 0, less than or equal to 0. Okay, so in this case it will occur stack underflow. So with this condition we can go ahead. Now in step 2, if your stack is not underflow, so we can perform simple display or peep operation. So return ith element. Okay, so for that return s of top minus I. So how this will work? So if I want to fetch this element indicating at position 1, so value of s, top is indicating to 2 minus I, so I is here value 1, so 2 minus 1, so s of 1. So s of 1, so this value will be of top. So your first element will be fetched or displayed here. Okay, So our main task is completed, and in step 3 we can finish our algorithm. Okay, and exit from the algorithm. Okay, so hope you understand this, and if any doubt you can write in our comment box. Thank you.